Are you tired of wasting money on overpriced software that barely makes you any money in your trading? Now, if you're one of those traders that are still unprofitable, I have just the right solution for you. And in this video, I am revealing the best free software that I believe every trader out there should be using. I mean, this software works whether you trade Forex, you trade crypto, you trade indices, you can name it. It works for all those instruments. This software will enable you to analyze the market, manage your risk, and also test your strategy. And the beauty is you'll be doing this without paying any dollar. Now, of course, software number one is definitely what I believe every trader out there needs because it's free and the value it gives you, it is just out of this world. So make sure you do not miss out on that. So let's get into the video, shall we? Now, first up, of course, every trader out there needs a very good charting software. And when it comes to this, my top pick for this would be TradingView, because on TradingView, you can be able to use the free plan that actually gives you a web-based version as well as a mobile version. So all you need to do is maybe download the app and you'll be able to start using it. I mean, TradingView has a very clean UI. The user interface on there is just perfect for you as a trader. It has some of the best drawing tools, so definitely you can be able to use it without any kind of friction. It will be able to give you at least one chart per layout, and as well, they enable you to have 3 indicators on that free plan. So definitely, if you are looking for the best charting software, this is hands down the best charting software out there in the market. Now, of course, the other free software that you can use when it comes to the analysis of the market is MetaQuotes, that basically provides you MT4 and MT5. They basically have a downloadable desktop version that you can basically download and, enter all your details for you to be able to access most of the brokers out there. So this is one of those very good ones as well. So you can go ahead, download it, and you'll be good to go. The thing I like about MetaQuotes when it comes to MT4, MT5, you can actually be able to use EAs on it. You'll be able to actually start trading with EAs. So it is one of those good advantages that this particular software has. And then, of course, if you're one of those traders that actually uses algo trading, you program a particular bot to be able to trade for you, this is where you can actually best employ it on MetaQuotes because it gives you that provision. Now, with these two I've shared, I like pairing them because for me, when it comes to charting, definitely TradingView is my go-to. But then when it comes to the executions, I like to use MetaQuotes, or in this case, I like to use MT5 because most of the brokers are actually on MT5. So definitely, I would like to pair these two together. Now, as a trader, you need to know what really moves the markets, and that is news. If you do not follow any kind of fundamental news, definitely your results must be having a problem as you trade. So this is where this next software or tool comes in, and that is Forex Factory. Now, on this particular tool or software, they're able to actually share with you the economic calendar for that particular day or even a month in future. So you're basically able to actually use this particular economic calendar to base your trading decisions off of. So it is one of those go-tos. I don't know why people actually even go ahead and pay for very expensive softwares or tools out there that basically gives them fundamental news, because this is a free tool that you can always use in your day-to-day trading. And then, of course, the other beauty of Forex Factory is the fact that it has a very good forum on there where traders, discuss various things that are basically driving the market. So when you sign up to this, it will definitely change how you trade. That is in my opinion. And then, of course, the other one that you could use is investing.com, because it also gives you good news insights into the markets for you to basically be able to base your decisions off of those insights shared on this particular website. So you can use investing.com to basically be able to get to know what really is going to drive the market for that particular day. Now let's talk about tracking your data through what I would call journaling. Now when it comes to journaling, there's quite a number of free software out there, and my top pick would be MyFXBook, because with MyFXBook, once you have an account, let's say on MT4 or MT5, you can actually be able to log in and connect your MT4 MT5 account on MyFXBook to basically always track whichever results that you have on your MT4 MT5. So this will basically automatically enable you journal your trades, all those losses and wins that you take in the market. They will automatically be reflected on MyFXBook. And who knows, you might even end up getting investors, especially if you're a good trader and you have maybe a very high win percentage. They will basically come calling and they will be able to invest in you. The other free journaling software that you can use is Google Spreadsheets. I mean, this is a free tool that you can basically just go and create rows that you're going to be using. Maybe a row of your wins, maybe debt, wins and losses, and maybe your risk to reward ratio. So you basically track day by day as you actually go on with your trading. So try and use such tools, because these are free tools that you can basically use without paying any kind of money. Now, if you're a trader, you know that when it comes to trading, you must have a strategy, and you cannot just get any strategy and use it. The first thing you need to do is backtest that strategy. This is where these next tools that I'm going to share, I know it is mind-blowing, because some people actually don't know there are some free softwares out there that they can use to actually backtest their strategies. And my top pick is JForex. This is by Dukas Copy. You can basically visit their website and download this free software. It is one of the best. This is something I wanted you guys to know last, and I know once you actually start using it, you will fall in love with it. So this is the first one, JForex. Go ahead and use it, because it is one of those free ones that I believe it should be charged, because once you open a demo with them, you can be able to actually backtest all your strategies out there. And then number two, the other backtesting software that you can use is TradingView, especially if you're using the daily time frame, because for many strategies, especially if you have a strategy that is a fractal kind of strategy that works on all time frames, you can definitely test it on the daily time frame, and then once you know that it really works, this is when you go ahead and employ it on those lower time frames. So this is the way I would like you guys to start trading, or basically for you to start testing your strategies that you have. Now, I know you've already gotten the full toolkit when it comes to charting, backtesting, journaling, and all that at zero cost. Now, here's my question. Which amongst these have you already been using? Let me know in the comments, because I would really love to know. And if you're one of those traders that keeps wondering how you keep losing money in the markets, I created this video that clearly shares how brokers actually take away your money through slippage and spread. It will definitely be able to educate you on exactly how you can avoid this. So check it out. It will definitely be able to help you.